Hi, my name's Saul and today I'm going to show you how to utilise a stagnant ground bag to get the most out of your ground and pound, movement and mobility. Now, for years I got put off doing my ground and pound on these bags because all it was mount position, big shots, and I've been fighting a long time, and not often I end up in that clean mount position where I'm landing these shots. A lot of the time I'm kind of moving around my opponent, seeing how his body moves and picking clean, short ground and pound shots. So when we start in the bag, it's alright to start in this mount position, and it's alright to go into bursts. I don't mind if you start in a position and we go into bursts, maybe 5 seconds, and then we hit the movement, but the movement's the main thing here. So I like to start in the mount position and control my bag. But before I even throw any shots, I start to work mobility. So we can go knee on belly, transition, knee on belly. And again, now it doesn't have to be your standard that everybody does. You know, we go knee on belly, we go side ride, we go here. I like to come up off the bag sometimes. Imagine that's my partner's body, that's my partner's head. And I'm throwing these little shots, I'm controlling the head, and I'm moving, seeing what openings my partner gives me. Here, hitting. We can go into side control, but I'm never stagnant. Yeah, the Swiss ball is the drill I like to really work and get the lungs going. And this is more of a technical drill now here. So look, I'm replicating, got a bit of control on my partner's body here. I'm seeing the head. Knee on belly, we're moving. Especially while we're in lockdown and you've got no training bodies, this could be your nearest thing. You can do this at home. Moving. We're just all about putting my body on it, feeling it, and never being stagnant. Moving. This doesn't have to be about power. It can just be about movement. Alright, we'll break a few of these positions down now. So, the first one is our knee on belly. Again, there's a few ways people work this knee on belly. Some people fully rest the knee on the partner, but I don't like my partner having any control over my body. So, even if I'm knee on belly here, my partner decides to move away, I'm still in control of my own body as opposed to being here and moving off. And when I transition left and right with this knee on belly, I'm never leaving openings. I'm never leaving gaps. My elbows are always tight, my chin's always tucked, and I'm always ready to move. Any position I want. Which is very important, you don't get too stagnant in these positions, especially grounded positions. Because when you've got a guy wounded, you've got a guy on his back and you've got a guy hurt, he's going to be bucking, he's going to be scrambling, he's going to be moving, and that's the time you're going to get reversed. So that's the time you need to be most agile and most mobile. So, a few simple ones was knee on belly here. I start knee in the centre, foot on the floor, outside leg up. Great position to generate torque for the ground and pound. We don't want transition, hands on the bag, rotate the knees, and come off. Again, great position for the ground and pound. And when I come up sometimes, I post on my partner's head or body, what we're replicating, and I bring my body up. Still keep them hips low, still keep that weight loaded. And again, this can be a drill. Just getting used to my body moving. So we can combine the two. 1, 2, 3. You all know the mount. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we've got a little drill. We can go knee on belly. Knee on belly. Keep the weight off. Just circle around our opponent. We've got a full mount position. And then anything else you want to add in. So with just them simple movements there, the knee on belly, the mount position, and the movement around, you can start having a bit of fun and getting quite creative. So we can start, I can throw my ground and pound here, I can move, I can hit, I can move. Thanks for watching, hope you all enjoyed. If you want to learn anything more about me or the techniques, follow me on Instagram.